We're oh jeez.
No, don't shoot me. I'm not in.
They all went right.
Go.
You mean left?
They went to the circle.
I'm out. Don't shoot me.
Hit!
I swear if that anybody shoots me,
I'm gonna shoot him back. I'm gonna get my scar over
I'm
there.
gonna fight him.
You won't fight him.
I'll fight him.
You won't do it. You don't have the balls to do it. Pissed! Do 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 do.
Fuck you, go! Hit! Are you serious? Yeah, because Alan's going down the middle.
Who, me? Me, I'm going down
He
the middle.
blames it on you, and I'm
I'll
doing
put
it.
your bitch in.
What's up, Skippy?
What's going on?
Go chill over here.
I'm down the middle. I love it. I love every minute.
How you doing this fine day of Airsoft?
My knee kind of hurts. Take a little spin.
How do you like shotgun? You like using a
I
shotgun?
fucking love shotguns, dude. I mean,
Talking to the cameraman?
like if I could have any gun, I'd have like these 3 barrels. I mean, like I love shotguns.
Jane,
Cause you can cock them and shit.
You like cocking stuff?
Not really. I like cocking shotguns. That's always fun.
You love cock? What?
No,
He just said he does.
no. I said I like cocking shot. It's different.
How do you stroke it?
Like a motion like that.
All right, now shoot someone.
All right. All right. I see Jeremy.
Jeremy's way back here.
I saw somebody right there.
Justin.
I thought Justin was on my team.
No.
Alright, I'm gonna move.
Get Jeremy down there.
What do you think the odds of me are being able to like just run up the middle? Think I can make it?
Dude, if you wanted to right now, you can make it to that blue tarp and go to that right there.
I'm thinking about. Oh, dude, that's Corey.
Corey's right over there.
Where's Corey?
Somebody's shooting him.
You. Fire water. Oh shit. You. Dude, Big Daddy, come up here. Big Daddy. Shane. Dude, Shane, get up here. I'm out. Shit. Oh, dude, Shane. Oh, that's close to me. I got you.
Ron Pod, he's in front of the blue car. Stick my head on. Well, find out. Take it the fuck out.
This is the life.
Move it up. Oh, I got fucking Corey. I can see his arm moving.
Dylan.
Yeah?
I ain't never seen Wyatt run that fast.
He can't run.
Joe, left. Get up. Get up here. There's somebody running. You know what, Dylan, I take back everything. I hate shotguns.
Yeah?
I'd much rather be using an AEG.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shotguns aren't all they're meant to be. They're mainstream. Ow! The fuck hit me? I'm out. Who shot Nathan?
Who are you aiming at, Shane?
Todd's over there behind the tires.
Yeah, I know. He just got Nathan out. Nathan didn't know a fucking clue. I got it on video too.
Did you?
Dude, you're so stupid. Todd was in front of you the whole time.
I know.
Like 10 feet in front of you. Not even.
Ow! Stop fucking hitting me! Jesus! I said I'm out 10 times! Shane's, I'm nowhere near. Fuck everybody.
It's getting close. Who's shooting? Are you shooting at Joe down there?
No, I'm shooting Todd over here behind the tires.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, thanks, dude.
There's like nothing left.
No, I'm kidding. It's not bad.
This one actually you can actually hit what you're shooting at.
You out, Walter?
No!
Shit.
You're fucking standing there!
Say it again, Walter. Shit.
Shit!
Shit. Say it, Nathan.
You're gonna have to push up. Never mind, don't push up.
Dude, Nathan's so stupid. Come here. Look at my camera. Nathan was right there. And
Yeah, Todd hit me
Todd
too.
was
I
right
didn't know
there.
Todd was there.
So funny.
He got me too.
Wyatt should be president. Like, of the United States.
I didn't know Todd was there either, and he shot me.
Where's
Nathan couldn't give me a little warning.
I am.
Are you only
You want my shotgun?
What's up, Skippy?
Nathan, give me your shotgun. I got ammo. Alright. Never mind, I don't.
I'll go get you.
What the hell's in my pocket?
Here.
Ain't ammo. Didn't you have a speed limit?
Oh, wait. What?
You can get Jeremy right now.
Shit, that's two in there.
Motherfucker, I'm getting his ass now. What the?
What are you doing, Nathan?
I can't. Ah, hit! Fuck! Justin's over there. I didn't know where Justin was.
Oh, hit! Headshot!
Fuck you, I'm right under the fence.
Winner.
Someone just shot me in the fucking
da-na-na-na-na-na.
right there.
You won't shoot Jeremy.
I'm out!
I know.
Give me a gun. I want to shoot Jeremy. Somebody